Right, the no colour fault. First thing I'm going to do is to check that the oscillators are running. Here, this is one of them, this is output one of them, and I think that's the output of one of the modulators, that's the oscillator. So be able to check the which is test point 7 and test point 10. Test point 10. I need to put it in play. There we are. So that's running. And then test point 7 is this one, I think. Yeah. Check frequencies of these oscillators. We'll go through setup, procedure, and service manual. Right, so main 4.43 MHz oscillator adjustment. You have to play back blank tape and set this to 4.433619. This only goes up to 6, this frequency counter. Right, well, it's 4.4330. That's 4.4336. Hopefully that'll be close enough. Right, next adjustment is the AFC adjustment, and it's test point 9. Put it in stop mode with no video signal and adjust it for 15.625 Hz, which is this one. I'm not adjusting that, it's just going down on its own. So I wonder if that's drifting a bit. Just rub this, this part's a bit noisy. I'm just going back and forth on this part. It's hard to get it, this. Touch it and it just like makes it jump miles. What's It's plus or minus 50 Hz, so that should hopefully be close enough. And then supply a colour bar signal on the video input on the right hand side panel. Confirm that test point 9 is 15625 plus or minus 1 Hz. I ain't got a colour bar signal, but I'm just going to use a signal from video camera. Applied video signal. It's hovering between 624 and 626, so that seems right. I don't know if that's just counter that's sort of doing that. Like, won't just show 625. If I look at it on scope, it doesn't look like it's wobbling. APC adjustment. Connect a jumper between test point 5 and ground, test point 6 and ground. Supply a colour bar signal. Put the unit in record mode. Frequency counter on test point 7. Adjust for 4.433619 megahertz. And put it in record. That should be it, I think. Hopefully that's close enough. There's plus or minus 20 Hz, so I mean it's not really accurate enough, but we're at least in right area now. So I can play a tape and see if that's sorted it out. Right, press play, colour bar signal, see if we get some colour. If you can see that properly. There's some colour, but it's very flickery. Wish this camera were a bit better at filming telly. You can sort of see there what's going on. It's either it's either bright white or it's right dark.